the two types of email marketing. What are the two types of email marketing? So the answer is simple. That is inbound and outbound email marketing. In this video, I'm going to explain to you the two types of email marketing, and by the time you are done watching, you will be able to know the right one that suits your business based on your end goal. So follow me closely. Let us talk about the inbound email marketing. So when I talk about inbound, I'm talking about make them come to you. In this case, you have positioned yourself and your business in a way that will make your ideal audience come to you. They sign up themselves. You are not the one chasing after them. You are not the one running after them. You are not the one doing the whole dragging. They come themselves. They sign up intentionally. That is permission based email marketing. You have the permission to email them. That is what we call the inbound email marketing. They come to you. The significant part of this is it works perfectly for people who sell straight to consumers. When I say straight to consumers, people that you are selling straight to your audience, people that want to buy and use it. For instance, let us say you sell bags. You have to find a process of making your ideal customers come to you. You just can't email a stranger without permission and expect them to buy a consumer product. So if you are selling to consumers, inbound email marketing is the best fit for you because you have to make them come. You don't have to say, imagine you email someone right now. The person do not know you, he doesn't know if your brand exists. And all of a sudden you just say something like, hey, what? You know what? I got your email from somewhere and I want to buy this bag right now. How does it sound? It sounds somehow because I don't tell you I need a bag. I might have a lot of bag in my home right now. So in my own experience and from my knowledge, I've discovered that selling to consumers, you need inbound email marketing. They have to be the one raising up their hand to be like they want to buy a particular product, and you do what? You sell it to them via email marketing. Are you with me? So if you sell physical product, like I said, the best form of email marketing is inbound because let them give you the permission to email them and sell to them over and over again. With this, you will have valuable email list. And if you are even into coaching programs, information marketing, this inbound email marketing will work very well for you. You'll be able to build your list and have the permission to email them anytime you want to. Are you still with me? So all you have to do in order for you to have a successful inbound email marketing is to find strategic way you can make the people join your email list based on your funnel. So when I say based on your funnel, so your funnel, the process you are taking your customer through will determine the kind of strategy you are going to create or adopt for your business that will make people want to leave their email address, that will make people give you that permission to email them and sell to them. Are you with me? So now let me give you an instance. You can give a lead magnet that will make people sign up. So when you say you have XYZ, they should get it and get XYZ for free, something like that. Or you know what? I sell pen, but you can get a guide on how to use a long lasting pen. Are you with me? So tell them to get the guide for free, something like that. When they sign up, so that I can get the guide, then they have successfully entered your newsletter. You can now email them over and over again. The main goal in inbound is to make sure they drop their email themselves and you have the permission to send an email over and over again. You can see I emphasize on that. And now let us talk about outbound. Let us talk about outbound. It is time that outbound you start going out there to meet people. Some people will say outbound marketers are chasers. Whatever they want, they don't wait till it come. You go out there and go and figure it out and win. Am I right? So now let us talk about outbound email marketing. In this case, you are the one that will go and meet them. You can send them the website without their permission. Do you understand? So a clear example of this is cold email. A clear examples of outbound email marketing is cold email. So for instance, when you could email someone, you don't know the person, you get their contact. Freelancers and agencies do this very well, and you sell to the person. Not all will buy. So a lot of question people do ask is outbound email marketing legal? Outbound marketing itself, is it legal here in Nigeria? Alright, it is 100% legal even here in Nigeria and outside Nigeria in any country. It is 100% legal for you to do outbound marketing so far you are doing it the right way. Alright, and I only recommend outbound marketing for freelancers, agency who sell services, and those who sell to distributors, not people who sell to straight consumer. So in this case, I'm just trying to bring out examples of people that outbound marketing suit. With this, you know the one to go for. So like I said, people who are freelancers selling their skills, outbound marketing is a good fit. Agencies selling their skills and services, freelancers selling their skills and services, and outbound marketing is a good fit for them. All right. So it is easy for you to find someone that needs your services and could DM. I wanted to say DM here, sorry, and could email them, sorry, and could email them for a quick call. The sad part of outbound email marketing is that you will get more rejections than inbound. And here is why you are going to get more rejection in outbound is because you know these people don't tell you they need the product. You are only assuming that they need it. And you might get to them even though they need it, they'll be like, no, we don't need this particular product. That is to show you how outbound is. It comes with a whole lot of rejections. That doesn't mean you won't make money. You will make money with outbound. Just be ready to see some people like, you know what? I'm not interested, and it's absolutely normal. It is not about you, it's about them. All right. So someone did not raise their hand. I've explained this process, but you discover they need it. You need great marketing skill as someone who is a code emailing expert or someone who is doing code emailing. You must be a good marketing guru. So if you want to go for outbound email marketing, you must be ready to be strong. If you want to go for outbound email marketing, you must be ready to be strong. That's my advice for you. So here's the bottom line. I know right now the comparison will start. Which one is better, inbound or outbound? Which one should I go for? Well, it all depends on your end goal. Like I said here is the bottom line. It is not about which one works the best between inbound or outbound. So that's it. It depends on what you are selling, your end goal. What are you trying to achieve at the end of the day? With my explanation, you should know the right one to go for. So that will be all for now. And I have successfully shown you the one to go for based on your product or services. So thanks for watching. Do to subscribe to this channel, please subscribe and turn on bell notification. I will see you